Hey, what's up everybody? So got a quick exercise for you. Not a 2-5. Well, I guess it could be a 2-5. Is everything a 2-5? So anyway, so we're going to talk about exercises today and how much do you dig into exercises? How deep do you go on them? How exhaustively do you practice them and how creative do you get with them? So I'm going to go over just a very simple melodic cell that's very familiar to most people's ears and then see how we can change it up and practice it in different ways. So we're going to take this cell right here. That's just 5, flat 3, 2, 1. First thing we're going to do is just descend in half steps with that same cell. So it's going to keep it same form, descending in half steps. You get it. So then after that, how creative can we get with it? So let's do something like this. Let's do a 6 feel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that, but break it up into 4 and 2. So I'm going to do the first cell, 5, flat 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to do the next one half step down, but I'm only going to do 5 and flat 3. So you're going to hear it. So it's going to be this 6 feel, but I'm breaking it up into 4 plus 2. Let's try it out. Here we go. Okay, so that's one way. How about in 5? How about we do quintuplets? So we're still descending in half steps, and we're gonna go 5, flat 3, 2, 1, and then we're gonna go down a half step. So we're gonna play a 5 of the half step down of the next key, and then move to the next key after that. You'll see it in the printout, right here, or whatever, in a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right, so this next one might be my favorite, and this one's in 7. So we're gonna do the whole cell, 5, flat 3, 2, 1, and then we're gonna do 3 notes of the next cell a half step down, and then we're gonna repeat that sequence. So you're gonna hear that we're on the downbeats at first, and then we switch to upbeats, and then we go back to downbeats, and then back to upbeats. It's a pretty cool sound. So here we go. We're going to do this with the metronome on 2 and 4. 1, 2. Woo! Have fun exploring. Now that was one cell, one way. That was just half steps descending. You have so many more options. You can go half steps ascending. You can go whole steps ascending and descending. You can do it in minor thirds. You can do it in major thirds. You can do it in fourths, fifths, whatever. So that's just one thing. And that was 4 different ways to do it. Have fun. Like this is fun stuff. So go explore, get creative with your exercises, explore them to the extent, dig deep, keep going deeper. See what you can play with. I mean, you're working on so many things all at once here. You're working on your ear, you're working on your technical facility, you're working on time if you're doing stuff in odd meters or breaking it up, breaking 6 up into 4 and 2. Have fun. This stuff is great. Like, how can you not love this? All right. See you later.